Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna start with a clear case and also with a kit that I purchased on eBay. The kit is actually quite nice. It has the Chanel symbols and it also comes with rhinestones. The first thing that you're gonna do is I went ahead and traced a circle that came with the actual kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and trace it on both sides because I do want the Apple sign of my phone to show. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the outer part of the case like so, because I'm gonna go ahead and start thinking, what am I gonna do? How am I going to put these pieces together? This project was very easy, but it was time consuming. I also ordered some of these flowers from eBay. I'm gonna link everything in the description box, and the case was from Walmart. So this is what the pieces look like, and of course you're gonna need E6000. I will be using some of my nails rhinestones and nail rhinestone glue, just because for those smaller rhinestones it's easier to use the Mia resin, and yeah, those rhinestones will not go anywhere with E6000 or the Mia resin. So here I'm just trying to figure out where I want each of the rhinestones and the pearls to go. And you know, this is my very own design. You know, you can be so creative with this, and you can make it your own. And let me also tell you that I purchased some cases from Amazon and I didn't like them. And I saw some on Etsy and they were quite pricey, so I decided to make my own. So this is what I have so far. Nothing is glued in, but I wanted to have a visual of what I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the apple circle. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of that E6000 to glue in those rhinestones. And again, just, you know, take your time. If you have a weekend, do it on the weekend. You can do it, you know, in several days if you like, but the outcome will definitely be beautiful. The video is pretty much self-explanatory. You're gonna see when I use the E6000 and when I use the Mia Secret resin. Let me just mention that I did let it dry overnight just to make sure that that everything was ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch the rest of the video.
Drowning in the sea, you left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah, yeah. You don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left
Okay, my friends, so this is how the phone case turned out. I am in love with it. My very own design, and it is exactly what I wanted. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.